Welcome to AI Factory. Tired of breaking the bank for AI video tools? Interested in creating AI-powered videos? You're not alone. Many creators are using cutting-edge tools like Kling AI and Hailu AI Minimax to bring their ideas to life. If you're visiting my channel for the first time, take a look around. I've shared plenty of tutorials and walkthroughs to help you get started and make the most of these powerful platforms. But seriously, if you've felt that sting from Kling Pro, Minimax, or other big-name platforms hiking prices through the roof, you're not imagining things. These tools were once the generous heroes of the creative world. But now, even clicking Generate feels like making a luxury purchase. But here's the turning point. What if I told you there's an AI tool that's completely free and capable of producing high-definition video content? No hidden fees, no pricey subscriptions. All it takes is a short piece of text or a single image, and you can instantly generate eye-catching short videos or fun animated clips. You can even make your AI characters speak. Today, I'm revealing a little-known trick that unlocks this powerful tool for free. It's fast, easy to use, and the results look like they came straight from a professional studio. Ready to break free from video anxiety? This tutorial isn't just helpful, it might completely transform the way you create. I'm excited to introduce you to Digen AI, an amazing AI generator that quickly creates high-quality videos. With 300 tokens per day, you can generate 10 5-second videos, which is already a fantastic deal. If you don't use up all your tokens each day, they'll roll over and accumulate, so you should have more than enough to create a short movie. Additionally, you can register multiple accounts to create enough videos, essentially giving you unlimited free usage. Head over to Digen AI. On the homepage, you can explore other users' creations. Click on any video you like, and on the left side, you'll see the prompts used to generate that video. You can copy the prompts or remix the video directly. Now, click on the Create button in the upper right corner to open your personal workspace. You can see Generate a video need 30 tokens. Click on the top right yellow lightning icon to use your Google account or other email to sign in, and you will receive 300 tokens. Let's start by quickly testing the AI video generation using the provided images of the rabbit and the turtle. Simply click Generate Video, and you'll see an estimated wait time of about 1 minute. Even though there are 90 tasks being processed at once, it's impressively fast. I didn't input any prompts, yet the results turned out excellent. Below are the required image dimensions. At the top, you'll see options for video and image. If you don't have a suitable AI image generator to use, we can try its text-to-image feature. Click on it and paste this prompt. Futuristic Tokyo skyline at dusk with a neon drone flying over cherry blossom trees. After selecting the desired image size, you'll quickly get 4 stunning landscape images on the screen. The details and clarity are quite impressive. Next, paste another prompt for a character image. Except for the first one, which looks a bit odd, the remaining 3 are pretty good. Pick one to create a video. If you're unsure how to write a prompt for video animation, here you can see effect models. Digen AI offers 79 animation effect models for you to choose from. Let's take a look. Instant Ascent, Waistline Melody, Memory Journey, Belly Bonanza, Cupid's Punch, Hair Frenzy, Liquid Metal Overlord, Breath of Flame, Awakening the Beast, Simpsonize Me, Minecraft, Puppy, Muscle Show Off, Baby Effect, Princess Transformation, and so many more to explore. These effects are fancy, cool, and visually striking. With so many options, it's hard to decide which one to pick. For now, let's randomly choose one. I think this Afro-transforming hairstyle effect looks really fun. After selecting it, you can also add your own custom prompts if you like. I'll just stick with this effect and click Generate Video. Now, let's see how the final result turns out. Awesome, that's a cool and interesting effect. At the top center of the panel, you'll find the music selection option. You can either pick from the built-in music library or upload your own custom audio. Adding background music enhances your video's appeal, so choose a track that complements your content. For guidance on creating your own music for free, check out my tutorial, creating viral music videos for social media with Suno. Next, you'll notice the lip sync toggle. Activating this feature will have the AI animate your character's lips to match the audio. However, it costs 60 credits per video. Let's give it a shot. Upload your image and enable the lip sync mode by clicking on the icon. There are many options to choose from. Select your favorite voice that suits your character by listening to their samples.
Ready to make your art move? It's easy with...
Ready to make your art move?
Ready to make your art move?
I think Clark's voice fits my character best. Paste the text you want the character to say in the text box. Then, hit the number 10 to generate the voice. Finally, paste the video prompt and hit Generate Video. Here is the result.
Don't worry, I got you.
Here's another image I'd like to make speak. If you want to add AI voice or a voiceover, try using 11 Labs. It offers a free plan with up to 10,000 characters. Once you've generated the voice, upload it here, select the Lip Motion Gen 2. Then add a video prompt like, he is talking or she is speaking, and hit Generate Video.
Join my channel to explore powerful AI generation tools and dive into easy-to-follow AI tutorials.
Using this AI video generator, you can create videos in any size you desire, such as the 16:9 aspect ratio. These videos are high definition and high quality, with realistic details. If you use this tool effectively to generate AI animation videos with high viral potential, you can attract thousands or even millions of views. Whether you're creating content for story marketing or social media, this method offers a significant advantage. The best part is that you can generate as many videos as you need. In addition to the daily free credits provided upon registration, you can also try using multiple accounts to achieve unlimited free usage for AI video creation. Now you can see how easy it is. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for my next tutorial. Thank you for watching.